Hey Craftsie! It is the festive season, and that calls for a great Christmassy video, don't you think? I hope you enjoyed this video, and please stick around for some announcements at the end of the video. Enjoy, and I'll see you there. Have you ever decorated a gingerbread house? It's very nostalgic for me. Now, this is a gingerbread house supposed to be, and I got it on Temu. Now, this is what I'm going to decorate today. Okay, so let's see what we have inside. We have a little flat gingerbread house. Okay, it's cute though. A little stand, it looks like. Then our little diamonds. These are beautiful and shiny. And the little toolkit that we get. And then I also got this just to put the diamonds in. I think it's gonna work. They look so shiny. It's like you can bedazzle anything. Oh, sorry. I mean diamond dot. Oh, so not all of the diamonds fit. So I have 2 left. But there's like big, huge ones and then another one. You see. Okay, so let's start. Now I'm going to take out my little tools. It's the drill plate, drill glue, and drill pen. I actually had to look this up. Now, if you haven't done diamond dot before, I would suggest for you to go and look up a little tutorial on how to do that. This is not a tutorial video. This is just something for fun. I love doing diamond dots, and this is so nostalgic doing a gingerbread house. We used to get gingerbread cookies from my gran. Now, she made the normal round cookies, which was amazing. A few years back, we actually bought like a little gingerbread house kit. So it's already baked gingerbread house pieces that you have to basically put together with icing and treats, and then you just decorate it with Smarties, jelly tots, you name it, any type of sweet that you really want. And that was the most amazing thing. I actually think I should do this every year with my little one, because this is amazing. It's amazing. It's a nice activity for the whole family. And then you get to enjoy the gingerbread house afterwards. Actually, let me know if I should do a video like that maybe next year, around also Christmas time. I think that would be an amazing video to actually make. And then I can include my little one as well. So I really enjoy diamond dot paintings. It's relaxing. It is something you can do mindlessly. You can just sit down and just do the dots, match the little numbers and put on the little dots. Now, I started a few years ago, back when I was expecting my first baby, and it was amazing. It was an amazing time to just sit and relax and just mindlessly do something. You know, when you do a craft or a hobby, it's just nice to sit down, relax, and do it. And this time I decided that I just want to share that hobby with you guys. Now, if you have been a part of my channel, you know that I mostly do jewelry, because jewelry is one of my biggest passions. Now, I have dabbled in a few other types of videos, and I would really like you to participate in my community tab to let me know what you want to see next. This will also help you guys to feel a bit more part of the channel and then help us grow our community of crafties. Now, you can also follow me on Instagram where I am most active. I do have all of the social platforms for Lolly Crafts, but Instagram is the most active platform. So, do you want to stay connected? Please follow me there as well. As I continue with this little gingerbread house, I've realized that on Temu it was actually sold as a Christmas house decoration. And when I looked back on the pictures, it was actually flat. So I disappointed myself because when you buy something, you need to look at the description as well. And I didn't do that. Even though I was a bit disappointed when I got this at first, I really feel like this is still very cute. Let me know what you think about this little gingerbread house. If you came to this point of the video, drop me this emoji in the comments. Okay, so let's get down to business. This has been a tough year, I think, for most people. And for me, I have had some struggles this year, and I've been inconsistent with my videos, and I'm really trying to just better that and better myself. Now, I've decided to postpone a lot of my videos to next year, 2025, and I will be coming back to you guys from January, mid-Jan. I will be posting videos again, so we'll be doing craft kit reviews, we'll be doing some fun crafts, and there's a very special edition that I want to add to my videos. So please remain patient with me. It has been difficult for the past three weeks. I've had an amazing plushie order, and I'll update you guys on the shorts how it goes with that order. And I really struggled to just edit all my videos and get them out to you guys. I planned on doing a Christmas series, and I really haven't gotten to do that at all this year, which is really disappointing for me because I was really excited to do that for you guys. But we will be going away from the 15th of December, and we'll only return mid-January. So that means I will be posting again from mid-Jan. I will be doing videos again. So I will let you guys know in our community tab. So please remember to stay updated on my community tab. I'll do some polls. I have done some polls for you guys, but I'll continue doing that, and I'll just communicate with you guys once I will be back in action. So if you miss me too much, go to my community tab and participate in all the polls that I've done over the year, and I will definitely let you guys know when my next video will be out in January. So without further ado, have a wonderful festive season and a happy new year. Thank you for your support through this year, and the growth of my channel has really helped and inspired me. And thank you so much to every single Craftsie out there. I love you guys, and I will see you guys next year. Happy. See you guys. Bye.